Adding columns in Airtable is a simple process that allows you to customize your table to store various types of data. Here's how to add the column. Open your base and table. Start by opening your Airtable base where you want to add the column and navigate to the specific table you are working with. Add a new column. To add a new column, locate the last column in your table. Click the plus icon that appears when you hover your cursor over the column header. This will add a new blank column to the right side of your table. Choose the field type. After adding the column, a dialog box will appear asking you to select the field type. Some of the field types you can choose from include single line text for short text entries, number for numerical data, date to capture dates, select for drop-down options, checkbox for Boolean values, attachment to store files. Pick the field type that best suits the data you want to collect in the new column. Name the column. Give the new column the descriptive name based on the data it will hold. Save the column. After naming and configuring the field type, click Save to finalize the column.